Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Did you finish all the activities we mentioned in the previous class? So we have come to the end of chapter 2. So we'll have a revision session today. All of you please turn to page number 34 in your textbook. You can see the heading revision station there. We'll discuss the questions given in that page today. We'll discuss all the questions first, then later you can work out all the questions in your notebook later once we finish the discussion. So let's move on to the first question. Solve the following, and you have a set of 6 questions there. Question 1. It's an addition. 4,85,916 plus 25,432. So these are the add-ins here. We are asked to find out the sum of this addition problem. So let's do the calculation now. For question A, let's start adding the ones. Here it is 8. 3 plus 1 it is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. A carry over 1. 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11. A carry over 1. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 carry over 1. And here you have 5. So the sum here is 5,11,348. Now question B is a subtraction problem. You have the minuend and the subtrahend. Let's do the subtraction now. So 8 minus 8. 8 ones minus 8 ones equals 0. Now you cannot do 2 minus 7. So you borrow 100 from the 700 and give to the tens place. So now in the tens place you have the 10 tens from the 100 you borrowed. So that 10 tens plus this 2 is 10 plus 2, 12 tens here. Then 12 minus 7, it is 5. Now in the hundreds place, since we gave 100 to the tens place, instead of 7, we have 7 minus 1, 6, or 700 minus 100, 6 hundreds in the hundreds place. Now 6 minus 2, it is 4 here. Now again in the thousands place, you have 1 minus 9. We have to borrow, making this 8 and making this one 11 thousands. Now 11 minus 9, it is 2. Now 8 minus 5, it is 3. 8 minus 4, it is 4. Now bringing down this 7. So that gives you the difference of 74,32,450. Now let's move on to question C. This is also an subtraction. Let's do the subtraction. We cannot do 7 minus 8. So we borrow, making this 17 ones. So 17 minus 8, it is 9. 8 minus 8, it is 0. 8 minus 1, it is 7. Now 2 minus 9, we cannot do. We borrow, making this 6 and this one 12. So 12 minus 9, it is 3. 6 minus 5, it is 1. 5 minus 4, again 1. And bringing this 3 down. So here, what is the difference? It is 31,13,709. Now question D. Here we have 3 add-ins. Let's do the addition. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Carry over 1. 0 plus 5, 5. Plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 8, 14. Carry over 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Plus 9, 17. Plus 1, 18. Carry over 1. 2 plus 9, 11. Plus 5, 16. Plus 1, 17. A carry over 1. 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 7, 19. Plus 1, 20. A carry over 2. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 2, 13. Let's insert commas in between. So that gives you 1 crore 30,78,485 as the sum. Now question E, it's a combination of addition and subtraction here. So we have learned that when addition and subtraction come in the same question, which operation we do first? We always do the addition part first, then subtract the third number from the sum. So let's do the addition part first. So these are the add-ins in this one. Let's add those two numbers. So 9 plus 2, it is 11. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1, 4. plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 it is 9. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 4 it is 10. Carry over 1. 8 plus 1 it is 9. Then bringing this 7 down to give you the sum 79 lakh 6,951. Now what is left? We have a third number which is the subtrahend. Let's do the subtraction now. So 1 minus 2 we cannot do. So we borrow. So this is 11 once. 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 7, again we have to borrow. Making this 8 and this one 14. So 14 minus 7, 7. 8 minus 5, it is 3. Now 6 minus 1, 5. 0 minus 3, we cannot do. So we borrow, making this 8 and making this one 10. So 10 minus 3, it is 7. Now 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 2, it is 5. So what is the solution for this one? It is 50 lakh 75,379. Now, question F. This is also a combination. Here we have 3 addends and 1 subtrahend. So let's do the addition part first. We have arranged the numbers in proper columns so that the ones come in the same column, tens come in the same column, hundreds come in the same column, and so on. So let's start with the ones. 2 plus 8, 10, plus 2, 12, carry over 1, 1 plus 2, 3, plus 5, 8, plus 1, 9, 3 plus 9, 12, plus 3 is 15, a carry over 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4 it's 11, a carry over 1, 3 plus 1 it is 4. So that gives you the sum of 4,17,592. Now we have a subtrahend here. Let's subtract this number from this sum. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 9, we cannot do. We borrow. So this becomes 11. 11 minus 9, it is 2. 3 minus 2, it is 1. So what is the final result? It is 1,25,020. Now, that was question 1. Let's do question 2 now. Here also, let's solve the following, and here 6 questions there. Let's start with A. 312 into 4,571. So it's a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number. For the ease of multiplication, I have written the 4-digit number first, and let's do the multiplication now. So we have to multiply the place values of each of the digits in the multiplier with the multiplicand. So let's do that now. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 7 it's 14. Carry over 1. 2 into 5 10 plus 1 11. Carry over 1. 4 into 2 8 plus 1 9. So that is 2 ones into the multiplicand. Now let's do 110 into the multiplicand. So where do we start writing the product? We have to write the product beginning from the tens place to the left. Now 1 tens, we are actually multiplying 1 tens, the place value. Let's insert the zeros at the end. So 1 into 1, it is 1 itself. 1, 7, 5 and 4 here. Now let's multiply the place value of 3 with the multiplicand, that is 300. So 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 7 it is 21. A carry over 2 here. 3 into 5 15 plus 2 it is 17. A carry over 1. 3 into 4 12 plus 1 it is 13. Now let's insert enough zeros to make up for the places and also to correct the columns. Here we have multiplied with 110. So there is 1 0 in the product. Here we have multiplied with 300. So it's a hundreds digit. Multiple of 100. So we have 2 zeros in the product. Let's add up all the products. So that is 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 5, 6, plus 9, 15, plus 1, it is 16, carry over 1. 7 plus 4, it is 11 plus 1, 12, carry over 1. 3 plus 1, 4, and bringing the 1 down. So that equals to a product of 14,26,152. Let's move on to question B. It's a division. So here we have the dividend and this is the divisor. Now we are dividing with a 3-digit number. So let's look at the first 3 digits of the dividend. So there we have 894. How many 132s will go in 894? Let's see. Let's see if 5 132s go in there. It's 10, carry over 1, 16, carry over 1, 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So one more 132 will go into that. So let's check if 6 132 will fit in 894. So 132 into 6 is 12, carry over 1, 19, carry over 1, 7. Okay. Now one more? No. So let's take 6. 6 times 132 is 792. Now let's subtract these two numbers. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 7, it is 1. Now what's the next step? We have to bring down the next digit. So let's bring down this 3 here. So that will give you 1023. Now we have to divide this 1023 with 132. So 132 into 10 times will be 1320. So 10 132s will definitely won't go in 1023. Now we already know 6 132s are 792. So let's try with 7 132s. So 132 into 7, 14, carry over 1, 22, carry over 2, 7 ones are 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. So 7 132s will fit in 1023. So 7 into 132 is 924. Now let's subtract. So this is 1, this is 13, here it is 9. Now here you have 1 minus 2. So you borrow from here. So here you have 11. So 11 minus 2, it is 9. Here 9 minus 9, 0. Again 0. So we cannot divide 99 by 132 and there are no more digits to bring down. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient of this division. The quotient equal to 67 and the remainder equal to 99. So that was question B. Now let's do question C. It's 79,135 divided by 10. Now we know 10 sevens are 70. Let's bring down the next digit. So 10 nines are 90. 1 here. Now again 1 tens are 10. Let's subtract 35. 10 threes are 30. It gives you 5. Any more digits to bring down? No. And we cannot divide 5 by 10. So this is the quotient 7913 and the remainder is 5. Now question D. It's also a multiplication problem. A 4-digit number by 3-digit number. So let's start with the ones. So here any number into 0 equals 0. So the first product are all zeros. Now the 10th digit, 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 2, 18, carry over 1, 9 into 9, 81 plus 1, it is 82, carry over 8, 9 into 5, 45, plus 8, it is 53. Now 2 into 1 is 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 nines are 18, carry over 1, 2 into 5, 10, plus 1, it is 11. Now that we have written the 3 products, let's add up all the products. Here 0, 9, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry over 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 it is 7, 8 plus 3 it is 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7. Now bringing this 1 down. So that gives you the product 17,17,090. Now question E. Now let's see question E. 1002 into 405. So we had learned a shortcut method for multiplying bigger numbers. With that method, I'm choosing this 1002 and rethinking this 1002 as 1000 plus 2. And then let's do the multiplication easily. We know 405 into 1000 is equal to. Okay, now we have to find out only what is 405 into 2. So 405 into 2 is 2 into 5, it is 10. I carry over 1 here. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 4, 8. Now, what you have to do? You have to add up this number and this number. So, let's add up those two numbers. So, that gives you the final product 4,05,810. Now let's move on to question F. Here you have 7,005 divided by 204. So here you have 204 and the first 3 digits is 700. We know 200 into 3 is 600. So 204 into 3, let's check. 12, carry over 1. 3 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is 6. So 3 204s will definitely go in 700. So let's take 3 here. Now 3 into 204, that is 612. Now let's subtract the numbers. So here 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 again 8. Now 6 minus 6 it is 0. Now bringing the next digit down, you have 885. So now let's see how we can divide 885 by 204. How many 204s will go in 885? Since 2 into 4 gives you 8 in the hundreds place, let's check if 200 into 4 will be a correct option here. So 4 into 4, 16, carry over 1, it's 1, 4 into 2, 18. Okay. So I'm taking 4 here. So product is 816. Now let's subtract. So this is 15. Okay. Here it is. Next. Now there are no more digits to bring down and we cannot divide 69 by 204. So the quotient here is 34 and the remainder here is 69.